Hello, I'm Tom Hooker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Kenjutsu number 9 and number 10. Now, we will be starting in middle guard position, Chudan no Kamae. For number 9, I'm moving in on my opponent. I'm initiating the attack here. I'm pressing their sword down and out toward my right, stepping through, moving past with a horizontal cut, coming back into Chudan no Kamae and moving right back to my start point. Again, I'm moving in, deflecting their sword down and out to my right, moving forward and past, cutting across, coming back into guard, and then moving away, coming right back to where I started. That is number 9. Number 10 is the mirror image. I'm doing exactly the same skills. I'm just working to the other side of my opponent. So I move in, I deflect them down and out to my left. Then I'm moving through, horizontal cut, coming back into Chudan no Kamae, moving right back to where I started. Once more, we're moving in, pressing them down and out to our left, step through, horizontal cut, Chudan no Kamae, and then I move right back to where I started. Now, let's have a look at this, working with a training partner. Ms. McConnell, if I could have your assistance, please. All right, we're going to start in Chudan no Kamae with just the tips of our bokens crossed. Now, for number 9, again, I'm moving in, pressing my partner's sword down and out away, step through, come across, horizontal cut, moving past my opponent, coming back into Chudan no Kamae. All right, again, we're moving in, deflect the sword down and out, step through, cut across, right back to where we started. Now, we can also modify this a little bit. So instead of making contact and pressing down, I simply slap my partner's sword out of the way and then move through. It's basically the same mechanics. I'm just deflecting using a brief, light strike of my sword rather than an ongoing press in. All right, that's number 9. Now for number 10, again, we're simply working on the other side. I'm starting on the other side of my partner's sword, moving in. I press down and out to my left, and then across and through with my cut. And then right back to where we started. All right, again, moving in, press down and out, and then coming across and through this way. And again, instead of the press, we can take it with a light slap there and move through. What's sometimes called a beat attack. Thank you, Ms. McConnell. So that is Kenjutsu number 9 and number 10, and they are mirror images of each other. Thank you very much for joining me.